Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create this trend video, how I would look like in the 70s. So in this video trend, you basically take a picture of yourself, and this will basically show you how you would look like in the 70s. So let me show you how to create this video trend on TikTok using your phone. So to create this video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store, so go ahead and download it. Once that is downloaded, go back to your TikTok app. Here you're searching for how to look like from the 70s. Now in the search results, you're looking for all those videos that are doing the trend. So for example, all of them here on screen. Now you want to go ahead and tap on the video that is doing the trend. Now within those videos, you're looking for this button here, Capcut, try this template. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the template and will show you what you're creating. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut, and then tap on Use Template. Now from your phone library, go ahead and choose a photo of yourself, and then tap on Preview. This will now start creating your video and will show you the result. Now if you're happy with the result, go ahead and tap on Export here at the top right, then tap on Save and Share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. Since you're using a template, the music has already been added to this video. The only thing you need to do is add your text, stickers, or any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, that is how to create how I would look like in the 70s video trend on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.